Hello everyone, my name is Mark Delaney, and today I would like to show you my project. So this is a shoe cleaning machine. The problem I was trying to solve was that my family does do a lot of gardening, and I have worked construction in the past, and I noticed that in both those times that my shoes would get really dirty, and family would never like it when I tracked mud into the house. So to solve this problem, I made a motorized brush that would turn on whenever the sensor detects that the shoe is close. It's like that when it's within 1 inch. And it also has a fan in the back that I can use to dry off the shoe when I'm done. That would be controlled with my dial pad. Now let's take a look inside of it. So the first thing we can see here is obviously the Arduino Uno that controls this whole thing. It is connected to the wall with this 9-volt DC power supply cord. I have a 18-volt brushless DC motor, and it's operated powered by a separate circuit connected to these two 9-volt batteries. It is then controlled by this power relay. It is connected to the normally open pin so that it is only powered when the relay is not sending a signal to the relay. Next thing we see is this ultrasonic sensor. When an object is within 1 inch of it, it powers the motor. It is really sensitive, but when there's not an object nearby, it turns off the motor and then spins the brush. And then we can see this number pad and the display. The display tells you if the fan or the motor is on, or if there's no object near the sensor, it tells you that no object is found. For instructions for the user on how to use this, you can press the number key, and then it gives you a brief tutorial on the display. Then there's also a fan to dry the shoe off if it gets too wet. To turn it on, you press the 1 key. Then to turn it off, you press number 2. Next, we're going to see this thing in action. As a note, this usually works best if the shoe is a little wet, so I did dip it in a bowl of water before starting, but it did get most of the dirt off. Well, there you have it. As you can see from the photo, it didn't quite get all the dirt off, but it did get enough that it won't track a lot of dirt into the house. That should at least make your family, roommates, or wife a lot happier.